Hi guys, it's me again, KC Forex. Uh, okay, this is just one of my pairs, 80 USD I took yesterday, which was 17th of September. Okay, I took the trade in the morning time, so I just want to break it down on how we enter the trade and why we enter the trade. Instead of buying this trade, we sold. Instead of instead of selling this trade, we had to buy the trade. Okay, so um, one of my videos, okay, I explained to you that anytime you see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, that's like a downtrend. We're looking to um, buy the market. While when you see a higher high, higher low, an uptrend, we're wanting to sell the market. So in this case, we are seeing an uptrend. We're seeing a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You can see where I put this, I depict it here. This is green um, paint here. Okay, you can see it higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so now this is 80 USD. Okay, this trade actually finished this morning, early hours in the morning. So I'm going to explain what happened here. Okay, after, as I said before, when you see this horizontal line which I drew here, okay, it's uh, it's it gives me like it's a zone where I want the price action to come back into. Okay, these two horizontal lines up and down. Okay, I always want the price actions price to get to that level. Okay, you can see the market cross this horizontal line to the upside. Okay, all right, created a BOS. Let's put it there so we see a BOS, which is break of structure. Okay, to this level. All right, and what happened, I told you on a previous video that anytime you see BOS, you want the market to come down to create a change of character, which is down here. Okay, this area here, you needed the market to come down to this level here. Okay, to come down to this side. Okay, to create change of character, which it did. All right, so now we saw that happening. Okay, so now we got our change of character here. Okay, so what's left for us to do now is to draw a Fibonacci. Okay, so we drew a Fibonacci from the high, all right, to the low. Okay, from our break of structure to the low. So now we saw, now after we've drawn our Fibonacci, we need the market, okay, to come up towards this zone. All right, this zone where I have my two horizontal lines. Okay, this line and this line. All right, we need market to come towards that area. Now that we've drawn our Fibonacci, okay, from the high to the low, we need the market to we need the market to come from this side, okay, to this area. All right, this area, the 0.618 and the 0.5, this area. Okay, this area, we need the market to come towards this area. All right, so now we saw the market do that. All right, the market came up to this area. Right, now we need to see a 4-hour candle. All right, we need to see a 4-hour candle at this area. Okay, because we want to sell, we need a 4-hour candle. All right, a full 4 hours candle with a wick, and that will give us a good sign that the market is getting tired of going up. You get the point now, right? So now we saw that the market was up here. Okay, the price actions came up to this level, 0.50 to 618 level, right? And we could see that we didn't see any bearish, we didn't see any wick like this, like something like this, something like this. All right, you can see what is happening now. The current candle which is going, you can see we have a wick up here and a bearish body. Okay, we need to have seen something like that. We need to have seen something like that around this level, inside this zone. You need to see something here, okay, inside this zone, right? But we did not see. Okay, instead we had a bearish body with wick down and wick up and down, and it wasn't clear. All right, so this trade was not valid, so we had to wait till we find something like that. Okay, so now on the 4 hours we were still waiting. All right, so we were opportuned to see that here. All right, this is a wick. All right, you can see a wick up here. This is a wick, okay, up here, and a bearish body. All right, this is a 4 hours, right? This is a 4 hours, okay. This is a 4 hours candle, right? Let's put it there. 4 hours, 4 hours candle, 4 hours candle. Okay, this is what we need, but we didn't see. We saw this after the market went up higher. Okay, so we were patient enough to wait for us to get something like this, something clearer. All right, so this is a 4 hours candle. So now, to, as I said, if you remember on the previous video, I said something like you have a 4 hours candle, the next 1 hour candle, okay, should give us, now in this case we should be seeing a bearish 1 hour candle to open up the entry for the downside, okay, for the market to come all the way down, right? But now we're going to find out if we will be seeing a bearish 1 hour candle that would give us that entry reason to take the market down. That will make it a continuation, or we'll be seeing a rejection, because we can also get a rejection. So we are doing both sides. If we get a continuation, we take the market to the downside. If we get a rejection, we buy the market, okay, because it's not going down because it's rejected that area, so it needs to go up. So now we're going to take go back 1 hour, okay, 1 hour. All right, so on 1 hour, now let's go back 4 hours so I can explain something else. Now this is 4 hours, okay. If you look down, you can see Tuesday 17 September 2024, 5, that's 5 o'clock, that's 5 a.m. in the morning, okay. So now this is the 4 hour candle. So what I do to depict or to make us know that this candle is a 4 hours candle, I will draw something like this, okay, just to identify. You can see that black line inside, right? Now I'm going to go back to 1 hour to check. So now on the 1 hour, you can see this is the black line, and you can see on the 4 hours we saw Tuesday 17 September 2024, 5 a.m. in the morning. Now we can count it because it's 4 hours, right? This is 1, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. That is 4 hours. If you count it, that's 4 candlesticks, which makes up 4 hours, right? So now the next 1 hour candle is where we are to look, that will give us either a continuation to the downside or a rejection to the upside. So now the 1 hour, which is a 9 o'clock, 9 a.m., gave us a bullish candle. That's a rejection. Okay, simple as that. That's a rejection. So after getting this candle, that gave us a sign and an entry for the upside because it was rejected. We're supposed to get a bearish for us to do a continuation to the downside, but we got a bullish, okay, which is this, right? So now we took our order here short. We had to put our order here, right? We did something like this. We did something like this. Okay, we did something like this. Okay, you can see we took our buy order from this side. Okay, a buy order was taken from this side to up towards this level. Took it up to this level. Okay, that was 22 pips, and our stop loss was around this level here, this low. Okay, this low was around this low. Okay, so we started buying here after the 1 hour bullish candle finished. We started buying. The market went up, came down. The market went up, came down to this side, then went up high and hit our TP. Okay, so we won this trade in the early morning of today. Okay, so I'll quickly go to my broker. So we my meta 5 to C. Okay, this trade, all right, this was the trade, AD USD. Okay, that was the trade which I took. Okay, that was yesterday. All right, so this, so that's how you trade my strategy. Okay, it'll take a while, but it's part of the system. Okay, it's part of the system. So that's how it is. Okay, so now you understand that when you get the 4 hours candle with the wick and the bearish body, if it's going to be a continuation, we need that same candlestick, whether it's going to be a bullish or a bearish, to appear on the 1 hour new candle, or it's going to be a rejection. If we are having a wick and a bearish candle, we should be seeing a bullish. That's going to be a rejection. Why continuation? It should be a bearish, because the 1 hour 4 hour candle was a bearish, so we should see a 1 hour bearish candle for the continuation. If not, a bullish candle gives us a rejection, and that's what happened. Okay, we didn't take the trade to the downside because we had a rejection because of this 1 hour bullish candle. Okay, so that's how we did AD USD. Okay, we lost on Solana USD yesterday. We thought we saw rejection at this level. That was a rejection for the upside, but it went against us. So that's how the market works. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong, but you see the system, it works. It works. So believe the system. All right, I'll drop my channel or in the description link. Okay, subscribe and join me there. I'll teach you how to simplify trading in an easy way. All right, peace out. Casey, live in the building. All right, guys, that's it for today. Okay, bye.